How are you? Rightio. Everyone's here. If you want to all come and have a seat.
I think it took them over 2 months to find the aircraft. It was spread over such a big area.
Okay.
30 seconds to put that on. Because if it's severe blood loss, you'll be unconscious. This is probably the biggest reason why people perish in the wilderness. With knowledge and skills, because your supermarket's out here. I've got everything here to keep me alive. So I'm going to go straight to my hand sanitizer first. Windy, you can put the toilet paper in there. You're going to be making 2 tent pegs. First one, I'm going to grip the knife using a fist.
And here's my first step. Step 1.
Tension, angularity, that's really going to be important when you build natural shelters. Come around and look down the side here. Here's my sleeping mat. There's my sleeping bag inside. We're going to cook them in an indigenous way so we don't use cooking pots and pans. We've heard of a North Star, right? So if we imagine the Earth, there's the Earth. I want you to imagine a crystal ball, another crystal ball around the Earth. Can you all imagine that? Today's just about fire and water. But it's not going to hurt the tree. Anything that's good for string making automatically makes good tinder. This is going to reflect all the heat back to me, and you're going to be amazed at how warm and how well it works. But in the day, all trees in Australia do this during the day. But the water needs to be filtered. This has a filter inside. You can use a bandana, a water filter. Drag it through the water. Location, navigation. We're going to have a walk and look at some plants now. Petunia levis or broadleaf geebung. 3 months later, spin, 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 spin. Our summer solstice, December. That shadow is going to move. As the sun moves that way, which way is the shadow going to move? V. That means the same as help or SOS. "30 minutes, individual test starts now."